Welcome back to Rolling Legends, the place where performance, luxury, and innovation all ride shotgun. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Lexus LX, a flagship SUV that's redefining what it means to drive in absolute luxury with unmatched off-road power. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Lexus LX, you know it's something special. Lexus has fine-tuned the design for an even bolder and more aggressive stance. The signature spindle grille is more refined, flanked by slimmer triple-beam LED headlights that give it a sharper, more modern look. Every angle of the LX speaks sophistication, but there's a rugged, confident presence underneath, reminding you this isn't just another luxury SUV. It's a beast built for terrain. Under the hood, Lexus has kept the momentum going. The LX 600 carries forward the 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, pushing out 409 horsepower and 479 pounds-feet of torque. Paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, this SUV delivers a smooth, responsive drive whether you're gliding on the highway or carving through rocky trails. And yes, it still rides on a body-on-frame platform borrowed from the Toyota Land Cruiser race, so the LX doesn't just look tough, it actually is. Lexus has also upped the ante with drive modes and off-road tech. Multi-terrain select, crawl control, and an adaptive variable suspension make sure you stay in control, even when the road disappears. Whether you're scaling a trail or cruising down a winding mountain pass, the LX adapts effortlessly. Inside, it's all about craftsmanship and cutting-edge tech. The 2026 model continues with Lexus ultra-luxury focus. From semi-aniline leather seats to real wood accents and ambient lighting, every detail screams premium. The dual-screen setup remains, with the 12.3-inch touchscreen on top for navigation and infotainment, and a 7-inch screen below for climate and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the optional Mark Levinson sound system? Absolutely worth it. It turns the cabin into a mobile concert hall. There's also the executive trim, which transforms the second row into a first-class lounge. We're talking reclining captain's chairs with massage, a rear touch-screen controller, and even an ottoman. Perfect for those who'd rather be driven than drive. Safety remains a top priority. The latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is standard, bringing advanced driver assist features like lane tracing assist, road sign recognition, adaptive cruise control, and more. Lexus doesn't just want you to be comfortable, they want you to feel secure. The 2026 Lexus LX is more than just an SUV, it's a statement. It blends proven off-road DNA with Lexus' obsession for detail and refinement. Whether you're heading to a 5-star resort or going off-grid, the LX gets you there in style, power, and absolute comfort. Thanks for riding with Rolling Legends. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Lexus LX, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Until next time, keep it legendary.